Welcome back to the channel. I picked up a GS. It's a Grand Seiko 44 GS case. So it's from their Heritage collection and their Heritage line. And this one is a quartz. And you might ask me, why'd I get a quartz? Well, I just want something that I can pick up and go, you know what I mean, at any time and not worry about it. And it's accurate to plus or minus 10 seconds a year, which is ridiculous. So I had a quartz, and I'm outside. The reason why I'm doing it outside is because this dial is just beautiful. It's so beautiful. So you'll check this out soon here. But I had a Grand Seiko in the past, black dial. Can't remember the model number, but it was a 37 millimeter, and I did not like the size. I loved the watch. I loved everything about it, but I did not like the size. Found this secondhand at a very good price, so I had to pick it up. This is a 40 millimeter. So let's open her up. And here is that rice paper here, and we will lift it straight out. In the box, Grand Seiko, you do have your limited warranty, which it's still under warranty. This watch is only about a year old. And of course you have your instruction manual. Grand Seiko is amazing. Their level of finishing, their movements. They have 3 movements. They have their quartz, the 9F. They have their spring drive. They have their automatics, the 9S models. Just amazing quality on their movements, their accuracy, their hairline finish, brushing, their Zaratsu polishing, their bracelets. I mean, everything, I think, there's a little bit, no watch is perfect, but I think the Japanese, Grand Seiko especially, they just do it better than a lot of Swiss manufacturers. And me being a Rolex fanboy, I love Rolex, but I really love older Rolex. I really think that this company is, in a lot of ways, better. They do it better than Rolex does. And you may think I'm crazy for saying that, but I believe they are. So let me show you the model number first. So this is a SBGP001. And like I said, it's got that 44 GS case, which came out in 1967. It's a very famous Grand Seiko case, which has pretty much like flat angled tops with a lot of, Zaratsu polishing. You've got that hairline brushing on the sides and in front and in between the lugs. Just awesome. Just a beautiful case. I think it wears so flat to the wrist. You have drilled lugs, which I love on a watch, so I can change it out for, different bracelets. This thing here is just beautiful. It's a 40 mil case. I am not sure the dimensions. This is just an unboxing, but it is running the 9F quartz movement. This has a beautiful champagne sunburst dial. The polishing is just like mirror finish. The bracelet, you have chamfers on the edge of that bracelet. Just makes it so comfortable. There's that case back. Everything, their attention to detail. You've got even polishing on the inside here on that clasp. That way when it rubs up against your wrist, it doesn't, there's no hard edges anywhere. The only thing about this watch is the screws are so small and tiny. They're kind of hard to work with when you're sizing the bracelet, but other than that, they're wonderful. Let me get it out in better lighting real quick. So there is that dial. So you have a thermally blued second hand. You have an instantaneous date change, so it's super fast. Rapid date change like you'd see on a mechanical watch. Diamond cut hands, markers, Zeratsu polished. You can kind of see that sunburst in that dial. I even had a date just years ago that had a champagne sunburst dial. I loved it. What I didn't like about it is that it was a 36 millimeter. For my 7.5 inch wrist, it's just too small. This thing just fits perfect. And it's got, you know, a few little wear marks. I've got a couple scratches here and there, but it's nothing too crazy. It's still in really good condition. But this is a perfect grab and go piece. It really is. Water resistant to 100 meters. Let's get it on my wrist. On my 7.5 inch wrist. Fits perfect. Anyway, thanks for watching the unboxing of this beauty, and look out for the review coming soon. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you. Bye-bye.